What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be installing mirror caps, and before we start with the mirror caps, we're gonna have to remove the OEM ones. To do that, I got my good old trim tools, so we're gonna head over to the mirror and we're gonna start real quick. All right, guys, so we're on the driver's side mirror. Got my trim tool out. This is a little skinnier one. So what I'm gonna do, the proper way is to tilt the mirror up all the way, pop out the mirror, and get the clips from the inside. Thing is, if I break the mirror, I have to buy a new mirror. If I break this cap, I already got the new cap, you know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna pop this off, and if it breaks, that's all good. We'll just break it off. We just got the new mirrors in, so we're all good. So we're gonna start real quick. I got the skinny end of my trim tool, and we're just gonna start popping it, you know, from the bottom. We're just gonna like, get in there, you know. It's gonna sound a little unpleasant. You know, it might sound like you're breaking the mirror, but you're just popping it off. It's all, you know what I'm saying? Look, boom. Just gotta put some elbow grease into it, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, there we go. Perfect. We didn't even break a single clip. Damn, that's kind of dirty. So I'm gonna have to clean that up real quick, and then we're gonna get the new cap in. All right, so we got the mirror cap. As you guys can see, some nice quality carbon. I thought it was gonna be some like China quality stuff, but no, we're good. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna line it up. All right, and then we're just gonna pop it right into where the clips were. So let me just line it up just like that. Boom, it's lined up. I'm just gonna start get in there. Just like that. Wow, would you guys? Making sure it's all in there. But as you guys can see, it looks pretty sick. So we're gonna do the other side, and I'll come back with you guys. What's up, guys? So we just finished this side, and I think they look pretty good overall. I'm gonna back up the car. We'll get like a good overview of the final product, what it looks like from, you know, kind of far away. And after that, I'm gonna give you my thoughts on the mirror caps. Yo, that looks sick. Yeah, look at that. That looks sick. Oh my God. Hello. That's how shiny the carbon is, bro. You can see me. Look at the reflection. Look at this is some good carbon right here. Okay, so we basically finished the install. It took maybe like 15 minutes. I mean, you all saw how easy that was. I just popped it off a little bit. You might be scared at first, but like, just go for it. Actually, no, don't just go for it. Like, use caution, but still, it was pretty easy. That's what I'm trying to say. If you're wondering if the mirrors, you know, fold in, because some of you might have seen my Bmw code video, how to fold in the mirrors. So we're about to test out to see if, you know, if the mirrors fold in and they still work. Hell yeah. No problem, you know what I'm saying? So mirrors fold in perfectly fine. It looks good as hell. Thank y'all for watching. Like, sub, comment some suggestions on what y'all want to see next. I think we're going with the grill and the V-brace next. So that was gonna be a good video too right there. That's gonna be getting our feet wet with wrapping for the first time ever, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna find out if listen, my motto is if I can do it, I'm pretty sure you can do it too.